Hey everyone! Ever wondered how factories pump out millions of these goodies to fill every bakery, supermarket, and coffee shop from coast to coast? Today, we're diving into the high-tech world of industrial baking, where sourdough, donuts, and croissants are made on an epic scale.
Sourdough bread is an American culinary icon. Its crispy crust, chewy texture, and tangy kick have made it a global sensation, powering a billion-dollar industry that churns out over 5 million loaves a month in the US alone. It all starts with premium ingredients. Flour comes from wheat grown in the endless fields of Kansas, Nebraska. This flour is shipped by train or truck and stored in towering silos. Water is purified through advanced filtration systems to remove chlorine. The heart of sourdough is the starter, a living blend of flour and water fermented with wild yeast and lactic acid bacteria. In factories, starters are nurtured in stainless steel tanks equipped with automated air pumps and climate controls, maintaining 77-86 degrees Fahrenheit and 70 to 80% humidity. Industrial mixers with high-speed blades knead tons of dough in 10 to 15 minutes, activating gluten for that perfect chewy bite, great for sandwiches or slathered with butter. The dough proves in climate-controlled chambers, set at 75-80 degrees Fahrenheit and 75% humidity with optimized airflow to ensure even rising and those big. Steam injection for the first 5 to 10 minutes creates a glossy, crispy crust, Well, 430 minus 480 degrees Fahrenheit ensures a perfectly cooked interior in 30 to 45 minutes. After baking, loaves glide through cooling tunnels with high-powered fans and precise temperature controls, keeping crust crisp and interior soft. Automated packaging machines wrap loaves in craft paper or plastic. Donuts are America's ultimate sweet treat. With simple ingredients, flour, refined sugar, butter, eggs, milk powder, and commercial yeast for that light, fluffy texture. Automated rollers flatten the dough, and cutting machines shape classic rings or festive designs like hearts and stars, huge hits for Halloween, Super Bowl Sundays, or 4th of July bashes. Raw donuts are fried in industrial vats holding thousands of gallons of oil, kept at a steady 355 minus 375 degrees Fahrenheit for golden, non-greasy perfection. Raw donuts are fried in industrial vats holding thousands of gallons of oil, kept at a steady 355 minus 375 degrees Fahrenheit for golden, non-greasy perfection. Millions of donuts hit the market monthly, ready for quick breakfasts, office meetings, or kids' birthday parties across the US. Croissants, with their flaky, buttery layers, are a French classic that Americans can't get enough. The ingredients are premium, high-quality flour, cold butter, sugar, salt, milk, and commercial yeast. The real magic is lamination. Automated rollers fold cold butter into thin dough layers, repeating 3 to 4 times to create hundreds of delicate, flaky layers. Cutting machines shape the dough into triangles or rectangles for filled croissants, and rollers form iconic crescent or straight shapes. Croissants proof in high humidity chambers at 79–82 degrees Fahrenheit and 80% humidity, ensuring a perfect rise without melting the butter. Industrial convection ovens bake at 375–390 degrees Fahrenheit, producing golden, flaky croissants in 15 to 20 minutes. After cooling in tunnels, croissants are individually wrapped to preserve their crisp layers. Labeled and shipped, U.S. factories produce millions monthly, stocking Starbucks, Costco, and local cafes with fresh croissants. Next time you bite into a sourdough sandwich, a chocolate donut, or a cheesy croissant, think about the incredible process behind it. Which treat's your favorite? Drop a comment below, share how you enjoy these goodies, or what food production you want to explore next. Smash that like button, subscribe, and check out more of our food videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.